Hi guys, Filvet here, and this is my 6th video about my personal project. So it is a military hangar with rocket inside, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about cloth simulation. So I just imported some simple plane, and then I was moving this mesh just to get these interesting folds. Yeah, and moreover I was playing with settings because you can make it more rough, not so soft like here, maybe something closer to leather, you know. So you should play with the settings just to get exactly what you want. In this case I want just to get this this kind of cloth, and probably I should show you that I created this reference just from random images. So I took this wooden piece and then I found this interesting flag from Warcraft, and then I put this hat. It is a locust, it's a monster from Gears of War universe, and moreover I put some skulls on chains and arrows. And you can see that this flag has some interesting torn silhouette here. So how I did it in my project, I just recreated this feeling like it was torn in Substance Painter. So you can see it here, and how I got this result. I found this kind of interesting alpha. Let me show you. Actually, it was not an alpha. I just found some interesting image on Pinterest, and then I made it black and white, and then I got alpha in this way. Yeah, so I really like this alpha. Yeah, it makes this flag to look much more interesting. Because before it, as you can see, it's kind of weird. It doesn't look like a piece of cloth, you know. So, yeah. What else? Yeah, and I added some worn on this flag, like worn elements. Yeah. So I hope it was useful for you guys, and have a good one.